So switch to the thing.
Yeah, are we doing?
What character are you playing in the game? This is Cloak and Dagger.
Okay,
use your flood ult.
Holy shit. Holy fuck.
Nice.
Holy fuck. Oh my god.
Last longer. Invis is top right corner. She's half. She's one. She's one. Top left.
Oh
I
god.
got close. Make sure we keep point.
Ah! Holy fucking shit.
TP. Hey, fun.
Holy moly! Oh god. Oh god, fuck. Oh god. Fuck.
Got Psylocke.
Ugh. Look what Twitch name is the same? I see, I see.
Cloak.
Hi, Bekosa!
Emma.
Oh my lord.
I'll have dash.
A
Nice.
Good shit. Laser Cat, thank you for the raid! Bro, I feel like I'm so far. Oh, I probably should have just waited and spawned to go teleport there. Thank you for the raid! Welcome in, Raiders! I am currently in the middle of a very, very sweaty comm match, so I need to focus up, but I hope you had an amazing stream. Thank you for the raid. Oh my god. This is so sweaty, I'm scared.
Let me know if we're in that middle part.
We're down in the middle now. 3 at least. One healer. I'm gonna pop Punisher ult. I'm killing Emma first.
Nice.
I got
Killing
full.
Strange. Go in Strange. Kill Strange. Kill Strange. Go in on him.
Oh god.
One of their heroes is on the right, by the way. I can get this guy.
Come on, come on. Nice.
One healer on the right.
Oh my god. What? Oh.
TP backline.
How did he? Huh? Oh. Damn, that combo's
Turn
fast as
I forced
fuck.
up the close.
Look it up, look it up.
Olé. You know what Splatoon is? I've heard of it, but I never really like played it or anything.
Check this out. We can win. Nice.
Nice cool.
TP1.
Spear blocking. I'm going in on the other.
Oh fuck. Oh. Oh no.
I
Damn.
think we'll be able to touch. With you, we'll have to touch with.
Hi, Mister.
Nice try.
Auntie.
Hey, really good. You got help there good at the front. What? These aren't words, bro.
Maybe far.
Oh my
Yes,
god.
that's what I meant to say.
I am stressed.
We are hope and fear. The right heroes could make all the difference.
Kenzo, your C1, give me the elo. Oh my god. Ah, this is stressful as fuck. You banned my wolf. Okay, you banned our mag. Yeah, the fuck? Have you just tried not being stressed? No.
Helps me see the darkness.
I know what happened. How goes rank? This is our first rank game. This shit is fucking sweaty. We're in a full celestial team and we're all GM. That does not make sense. That does not make any fucking sense at all.
Stay strong.
I wouldn't have banned Mag if he didn't ban Wolf. That's okay. I'd rather ban Wolf. Fuck that. Oh god. This is gonna be tough. This is definitely gonna be a lot.
Game's still winnable.
I feel like I might need a little patty kick when BP comes and tries and fuck us in the back line.
That's all.
Spider-Man.
He's gonna come. I know it.
Emma. Emma.
I think this is wrong.
Oh, they have Spider-Man now. What the fuck?
I feel like I can do a lot against her.
PP and Spider-Man. Oh my fuck. Oh, oh,
Kill
oh.
BP.
Oh my god, I'm fucking tripping.
Yeah, they're both supports are just sitting there unprotected. Invis half, Invis one.
Oh my
We can
god.
pass,
They
we
have
can
no
one,
support.
we dead.
They have no support. Running